All right, good afternoon. We'll start with Milton, then we'll get to what's happening around here. As I mentioned earlier, we've got that tornado watch box in place for much of Florida as this thing is prepared to make landfall probably into the evening and overnight tonight. We're already seeing lots of rain out ahead of it for parts of Florida. The eye kind of collapsed a little bit. It was a Category 5 earlier into the morning hours. Since then, it was downgraded a little bit, and we see that tornado watch, or that, I'm sorry, not tornado, but hurricane warning area. That's all that purple area, which stretches from parts of north central Florida all the way down to central Florida, even south of the Orlando area and inland from Bradenton, all preparing for this system. The current track has it making landfall later tonight into the late evening and overnight, remaining a hurricane into tomorrow, and then working its way out to sea later tomorrow into Friday and into the weekend, weakening and just kind of moving south of Bermuda there. And there is a giant swath of rain there, and that rain kind of extends to around Ocala, maybe northward, all the way down the south of Tampa, south central Florida, through Orlando and some of those areas, Lake Buena Vista. We're all familiar with that area, for anywhere between maybe 8 to 12 plus inches of rain. So it's going to be a real soaker and lots of wind here as we go into tonight. And that's when most of this should be occurring, later tonight, right into tomorrow morning. All right. Now for us, high pressure is dominating, so we're enjoying a beautiful day here, so not much happening. In fact, we'll get another shot of some cooler air moving in tonight and into tomorrow, so that's going to give us daytime highs tomorrow just in the 60s. But today, sunny skies, a little bit warmer, a really nice day after a rather chilly start. And then tonight, still cool, about 48 degrees for the overnight low. Mostly clear conditions tonight, maybe just a few patchy clouds with that cooler air coming in, and the winds will be light tonight. All right, so today 75, tonight 48. Tomorrow and Friday, a lot of sunshine and dry both days, but we're just looking at daytime highs in the 60s, 66 Thursday, 68 Friday. A nice little warm up in store for the upcoming weekend, about 77 Saturday, 80 on Sunday. And then another boundary will be coming in early next week, 72 Monday, and then even colder air should be arriving by next Tuesday. We're just looking for a high of 64 and a low of 46, but dry for the entire 7-day period.